everyone, this is Laura and I'm going to show you how to make stir-fried snow pea leaves. In Cantonese this is called tao mio. This is one of my favorite vegetable dishes. So this is what you're going to need. Whole bulb of fresh garlic. Get some salt. This ingredient is really important. It's called oyster sauce. White pepper, snow pea leaves. You can get these at any Asian grocery store. Okay, so I'm gonna shake this garlic in this plastic container. It's not done yet. Gotta keep shaking it. Oh, okay. I think it's done. So I'm gonna wash these leaves. I'm gonna figure out how to open it. Wash them. Wash them in water. So now I'm going to pour all the water out. I don't have a large colander, so I'm doing it this way. Now I'm going to chop the garlic. Get all of them. See, shaking it, it took off all the garlic skin. So now it's time to mince this thing. I love this chopper. Watch this. Oh, it got stuck. I love how it chops. Awesome. Saves me a lot of time. See that? Look how quick it chopped it. Let me show you. Look at that. That was fast. I'm gonna start cooking this. So I'm gonna heat the pan. You need a really big wok for this because the snow pea leaves, they're a big size. So once you start cooking it, it'll shrink and look really little. You'll see. So I'm going to cook the garlic first. So add some oil. Garlic inside. gonna dump it in. See how much space it takes? Whoa! I'm gonna lower the heat too. That's why you need a big wok. The leaves are huge. So we'll just cook this for a few minutes until the leaves shrink, and then I'm going to add the seasoning and the sauce. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the seasoning. I like white pepper, so I put in some of that. Sprinkle it a little bit. Pepper. White pepper is good. And some salt. Then oyster sauce. Yeah, I like a lot of this. This is like my favorite. I think for this dish I put in about 2 tablespoons. So just kind of sprinkle it on. Yeah. Okay. I'll just mix it all together. Okay, this looks done. I'm going to put this on a plate. Okay, here's the plate. Okay. There it is. It's all done. Snow pea leaves stir fried. Doesn't that look good? It smells really good right now. Now it's time to dig in. You like it?
Yummy.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more delicious, quick recipes.